How to get UDID on iPhone. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to just simply open up Safari. And then here, what we want to do is to just simply search for show my UDID. So just search that up, and then after that, just simply click on the first link that will pop up. From here, what you want to do now is to just simply click on tap to show UDID, and then just click on allow. And then there you go. So it says profile downloaded. So it says right here, review the profile in the settings app if you want to install it. So let's just close this, and then let's open up the settings app. And then once we're here, just click on profile downloaded. After that, just simply click on install. Afterwards, just simply enter your passcode for your iPhone if you have one. Lastly, just simply click on install and then just wait for it to install. And then after that, you'll be redirected to a website in where your UDID will be shown. But quick reminder that you should not show your UDID to anyone, as it can be dangerous if you share it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to get UDID on iPhone.